Jamshid from Yama Yoga, and this is the second video. We are going to talk about coronavirus and how we can fight against it. Well, there are two ways, let's say two major ways that the virus, any kind of virus including coronavirus, can enter our body. The first one is through the mouth, and it enters our digestive system. That based on my knowledge, when it enters that way, the acid in our stomach will kill the virus. The other way is through the nose and going to our lungs and respiratory system. When it happens, the virus goes into our lungs and will stay there, and it takes a while. It sometimes to a few hours to sometimes 48 to 72 hours to enter into our blood system. Well, so that is the time that our lungs have. As I mentioned in the previous video about coronavirus, our lungs are great means of cleansing and let's say the immunity in our body. So they work. It is not true that any virus that enters our body makes us sick. Our lungs function well to kill the virus. But there is a problem. Sometimes by not breathing properly, we make our lungs lazy, and we make some problem that it makes it fragile and prone to the virus. Let me use that paper bag as an example. Well, usually when we normally breathe, we breathe like this. Well, so as I said, imagine this is our lung. So when we breathe like this, so as you see, there are some parts which are folded when we breathe. These are the parts that the virus will escape our immune system, cleansing system, will go to these parts. We call these parts dormant or stagnant parts of our lungs. The virus will go there, and the virus is safe there because the lung will not open and stays there until it can penetrate into our blood system. Well, by breathing properly or correctly, actually we will breathe like this. So, as you see, when we breathe correctly like this, those folded parts will be open, and I don't go into details how it really works, but our body will catch the virus and will kill the virus in those parts. Actually, there is no part for the virus to hide and start working its penetration into our blood system. So, this is how yoga, the other way that yoga can help fight against coronavirus, by proper breathing. In the next video, I will teach diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing technique of yoga, which help us breathe the proper way and actually make those parts which are inactive active. And this way we catch the virus and we kill the virus. So stay tuned, wait for the next video, and stay safe. Namaste.